face is puffy. So tired. I have decided, let me pass out. Hey guys, so welcome to today's video. I had a really, decent intro, but it's all out of focus, kind of like this one is, but it's literally horrible and I cannot say what I'm trying to say. So basically, it's a day in my life as a transfer student, and our first stop is at Target, so let's go. Don't forget, whoa, and get ready for more college content because I am now in college and 3 hours away from home. Woo! Just kidding, I miss home. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and let's go. So I found a section, but I don't know where the agenda / calendar section is at. I think I found it. There's a couple making out behind me. This is the winner. Target. Just kidding. Thank you. You're welcome.
So you guys want to hear a story? So one time Karina was making a video and we were gonna try everything on the menu at Chick-fil-A.
Stop! I'm sorry.
And
That's.
she got mad at me and Sam, so she didn't eat anything. And we ordered everything. We're going to pick up Wesley and then
We're gonna go eat.
where's the place at? Right here in Dumpster.
She's like, you're gonna take up in my baguette. That's it, babies. We have made it. Cool Cat Cafe. Yeah, we're gonna get some candy gross things. So ew, ugh. Scorpion suckers. Look at that. That's, it smells like cinnamon. What is this? Oh my goodness. What are these? There's a hair in there. Jacqueline Hill.
I don't eat the crickets, but I don't
You didn't hear about the scandal? Never mind.
Sorry.
No, that's okay. It's good. Because her lipstick that she came out with had like hair, so that's why I was like Jacqueline Hill. Crickets. Should get these. There's a lot of options. Oh my goodness.
What are you trying?
Oh my gosh. There's a hair in there. I'm not even scared of the insect. I'm more scared of how it looks like it's hairy. But it's the air, I think, and the packaging. Oh man. But it's salt water. The ones at Trader Joe's are bomb.
Which one do you want? Do you want the Mexican spice or you want the
Oh my god.
barbecue?
Ew, not the barbecue.
Mexican spice, huh?
Mexican spice, yeah. Because that's going to be so much better. Oh my god, it's a freaking worm. Hey, you should get this one. Oh my god. Cheddar cheese? Oh my gosh, this is not good for anyone. Oh no. I'd rather eat cricket than worms. Oh no, oh no. This is a disaster. You can't just leave it like that.
You would eat a
I
cricket?
can't figure it. Pretty. Wow. What if I drop my... Okay, I'm not gonna jinx it, but... Look at it. She's so pretty. Oh my god, I love you. I lost them. Oh, found them. Let's go. Let's go get them. Oh man, that was... What are you doing? Okay, so we're gonna be eating some of those worm-looking things. Can you see this? Original worm Mexican spice thingies. So let's do this. You guys have to come here. Smells like chips. It smells like
You know hachira?
yeah, like regular chips. Unless those are my fingers.
Yeah, I'm saying. Be free.
Let's do this or what? It looks hollow.
I'm not trying to look at it. Yeah, just trying.
Okay, ready?
Wait.
Oy.
I don't know.
He
I
keeps
don't
dropping
know.
it on purpose so he doesn't have to.
Uy, se me cayó.
The biggest one?
What?
Put the rest in the box.
Trying more time.
Just one?
Nah, yeah. They should like it.
Okay, ready? Wait. Give me
Sammy?
some. Oh, my thing broke. Mine broke. Here, I'll eat it like this. Okay, ready?
Ready?
1, 2.
Cheers. Wait,
Ready?
Right here.
1, 2. Cheers. Salty?
It's like
They taste so hollow.
like pumpkin
Crunchy.
seeds or something.
Those are like cheese puffs.
No, like regular, like seeds.
Yeah, like
What kind of seeds? Kind of like cherry seeds, pumpkin seeds, or
it's not bad.
what are those seeds that they're like
Sunflower.
flat?
Sorry,
Yeah,
I need to eat a
remember
whole one because mine broke.
The science camp. I found
You liked it, huh?
No, science camp.
Nasty.
I found one.
Ready, guys?
The teacher said I could eat it, and I ate it.
You did?
Yeah, it tasted like that, except without the salt.
It's not bad. Ew, no. You're so close to me.
Yeah.
Told you.
It is?
Stand facing.
I'm trying to make sure this is north because we all think it's this way. But
Let's go have
it is. Let me see. I want to see.
Now you're pointing west.
West. You have to show them the west right there.
Okay, put it like that.
What if I go fast? Still west.
Alright.
Alrighty, let's go. Get some ice cream. Hey guys, I'm home now, back in my room, and I'm just gonna end the vlog here. gonna just get ready for bed, watch Netflix, and I hope you can hear that. That's my neighbor.